Hello everyone, welcome to Longzhe Machinery. I'm going to introduce to you the hammer mill machine. This one is 15 kilowatts hammer mill. It's a capacity for wood chips, for sawdust. It's 300 to 400 kilograms per hour. This is the main machine with fan blower, and you can see through pipes going to the cyclone. The cyclone top and the cyclone bottom will connect with the bags to collect the dust and the finished material. And this hammer mill drive with a belt through the electric motors, and you can see clearly the hammer mill machine, the main machine with the motor, the fan blower, and the pipes. And this is cyclone, and this cyclone collect the finished sawdust or finished fine powder materials. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.